or a video?
I only wanted a photo, but I got it yesterday. When they got it in hand, it's great to put on it.
Yep. Keep on screaming.
Give us free!
Wait. Oh, yeah, look. I love my people, bro. You know I'm geeking right now. We at church right now.
I ain't got enough alcohol in my system for this.
I love the black people. He's just funny as hell. The tambourine came off, bro.
At this point,
He said, free us. I'm crying.
free at last. Y'all are stupid.
Damn.
It's only good or bad. There's no such thing as old music. It's either good or bad. So that's the state of the art. It keeps growing, and it will continue to grow because the music is powerful and remains powerful and remains one of the great influences throughout the world. That's how it happens. My compositions, they tell me what they want to be called. I don't tell them. They dictate to me after I play what they want to be called. So my composition said to me, I want to be called Menace. Finito.
The monumental architecture, the soaring rhetoric.
So many ways that DC has changed, from the inner to the outer.
First got attention when a Metro PCS store in Shaw temporarily stopped playing go-go music. The music is now back on, but the fight to preserve DC culture is far from over. A peaceful demonstration. This one was deemed Mochella.
Wale, we had the Roots Picnic, DVD Couture here with the nostalgia vibe, but everything we bring to you is in the future. Just tore the stage down, the homies came through. I keep telling y'all what y'all gonna do. Y'all gonna try to do something, and y'all gonna try to make some stuff, and it's not gonna crank. But you know, we gonna make sure it crank. DC, Maryland, Virginia, things gonna crank every time.
later, many months later. So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Oh, that wouldn't be P of her.
Did you perform at the Virgin Mobile Music Fest in 2008 with Kanye West?
I don't know, but I know I did perform at this badass bitch birthday party recently. She was crazy stupid.
One time for the motherfucking roots before I say anything else, man. This shit is a dream come true, it's a motherfucking honor. But before I continue and before I get started, I must let you know 3 important things about myself. Number 1 is, I know that we all ain't shit without each other. You dig? Number 2 is, I know that I ain't shit without you. You dig? Now number 3 is a very important one. If you don't remember shit about tonight, please remember number 3. And number 3 is I ain't shit without you. You dig? Good. Came to have a hell of a motherfucking time tonight. Say fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. Already having a hell of a motherfucking time tonight. Say fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. Well, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Toshi and I am here on behalf of Young Money motherfucking Records. That's my DJ, DJ T. Lou. I got the whole band and I brought the fam. Y'all say what's up to my people. Well, like I said, my name is Toshi and I am here on behalf of Young Money motherfucking Records. That's my DJ, DJ T. Lou. I got the band and I got the people behind the band and I brought the fam and we hope that we are your hell of a motherfucking time tonight. Let's go! Ladies and gentlemen,
glass half filled or glass half spilled. It's just a difference of perspective. This is what I'd say if I was talking on some philosophical shit. Truth is, I don't know what life is. just trusting in God. Loving life. That's my perspective.